Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can automatically stop videos from playing when you fall asleep. It is actually pretty simple to do that. You're just going to go to clock. Actually, you're not going to go to settings, and you're going to go to timer. So you're going to select like how many hours you want it to play. For instance, you sleep in like around 2 hours. So I'm just going to select 2 hours. Go to when timer ends, select it, scroll down, and you're going to select stop playing, and you're going to press set. Now when you start it and you're watching a video or you're listening to music, and then you fell asleep and it's been 2 hours, it's going to stop playing immediately. And it's very helpful to save like battery, I guess, when you're watching videos at night or playing music. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!